Okay, what I'd like you guys to do is go to my new website where you can find information about the class, notes, videos, and links. So it's classjump.com/Coliseum, and what you can do is take a look at your new assignment. Scroll down to the bottom and it'll say assignments, and the assignment that I'm introducing today, which will be due on the 21st, is a UPA on elements. The assignment is available all the time. You can go home and print it off. I'm not going to be providing printed copies of it, so I suggest that you read it. If you need to come in and use a school computer, I will have a couple of mornings where you can come in and use the school computer. Tomorrow morning I'll be here, so if you'd like to do so, and Friday morning, please make sure you get a pass from the office. So here's your assignment, and what I'd like you guys to do is take an element, choose an element, and find out information about it, and then make a video or a poster or a PowerPoint or a Prezi or some kind of presentation. Now you have to follow the rules of the assignment, and what I've done is I've provided some links. So over here on the left you'll see that there's links, and I want you to go to periodic table personified, and this is just an example of somebody who's taken all of the elements and made really interesting graphics about them with all of the information of the elements and little drawings to depict the features of the elements. I would prefer that you do not use the elements that are shown here, but this gives you a good example of what to portray the elements in what light. Okay, so make sure that you're using any resources that I provide for you for help. So you want to take an element, any element in the periodic table, and find out information about it, and then portray it. And now it says adopted element on my assignment, but you know, maybe you can sell an element and try and sell it to an evil guy, or maybe you want to sell it to a nice guy. But what you want to do is portray the element in the most positive manner that you can, or feature the negative characteristics of the element. Okay, so if you go to the home page, you can see that you can look at the message board, and in order to take part in the message board you have to actually register for the class, and you may do so. I noticed that a few students already have registered. Want to make sure that you guys understand that you need an email address to do so. Also on this, my homepage, are the Cornell Notes. Now don't forget, your Cornell Notes should not be copied from mine, but this is for people who maybe need a little bit of extra help in understanding what I talked about. And so the Cornell Notes are there. You just click on it, and it's just the Cornell Notes directly from the lesson that I gave you. The next thing that I want to point out is the calendar. I will post things on the calendar, so you can take a look at the calendar and see. It will be highlighted to tell you what's going on. So today is an early release and your UPA has been assigned. Tomorrow is the matter test retake, so I suggest you study for it. The 21st is when your UPA is due. I don't have anything else, but you can scroll forward in the calendar if you like. Okay, the next thing that I want you to see is that I have links also to my YouTube channel. So if you need to quickly look at a lesson, you can access it from this page as well. If you would like to add anything to the message board, like I said, you need to be signed in, and that's pretty much what you'll find on the website. If you do sign in, please make sure that you subscribe for updates, and then I'll send you updates when I've added any kind of information.